So now that you have become a developer, you might be thinking of starting a side hustle or perhaps to start earning money by leveraging your development skills. So once you become a developer, let it be software developer, a game developer, a cloud engineer, or whatever that you may be. It's once you become one, you unlock yourself a world of limitless opportunities. So you can actually monetize every skill that you acquire in this field. So here I am in this video. I'll be sharing you top 5 ways of monetizing your skills, and you don't want to miss the first one because it's the best one out of the top 5. And also I'll be sharing you some extra stuff that you can do so that you can start making a brand or start making money. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. One of the best way of monetizing your knowledge and skills is by creating a book. Okay, you can publish a book on Kindle or you can publish a book on Amazon, and then you can start selling your book. Okay, I will tell you, it sounds very vague when I tell this create a book. The point being, if you are actually good at something, so suppose I have my own book, I have written a book on CSS, you can get the link of the book in the description. But you can start off by, suppose if you yourself is a backend engineer and if you happen to know a concept on backend very well, you can create a book on that. Suppose you can tell how to handle, parallelism or whatever. The point being, I am trying to tell that what I am trying to tell is that, you can actually write down what you know and then sell that content on Kindle or wherever. So the monetization part, you don't have to actually sell your book. You don't have to go to each and every person and go ahead, please buy my book. That's not what you have to do. It's very easy. The platform is a e-Kindle platform. I'm sure you guys know, if you already know what is Amazon. So you can just publish your content over there, and Amazon has its own, subscription. People subscribe to Kindle and read multiple books. So I have my own book. People actually subscribe to Kindle and actually read my book. So that's how I get paid. That's one of the ways that I get paid as a developer. So I have created only one book as of now, so that's doing well. But the point being, you can also do that and start earning money, and it's very easy. And also, I will show you how the platform would look like. And there's not a lot of there's you don't have to. There's not a lot of bloatware to start up, and you can just, if you have a book on a A4 sheet paper, on Word document or wherever, you can start off by using that, and then you can upload that and start monetizing your content or start monetizing your knowledge. So that is one of the easiest way to start off and start earning money. So yeah, that's it, and I will show you how the platform would look like, and then we'll move on to the next one. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, this is how the platform looks like. You can go to kdb.amazon.com and then you can go to create, and then you can start off by creating your own book. So it's very easy. Just press create, and then once you press create, it will move on to the next page where you would like to. It will ask you if a paperback is a normal book, hardcover is a you can ship around the world. So the one that you want to choose is the public paperback or Kindle ebook. When you choose Kindle ebook, people subscribe to Kindle and people actually read your book. So when they read the book, you will get you will get a cut from the subscription part. So it's the monetization part is complex, where how you're getting the money, but you will get the revenue based on the pages that people have read in your book. So it's like very easy on that part. Anyways, so yeah, I think this is it. So let's move on to the next one. So yeah, one of the ways of earning as a developer is by writing a blog. So you're like, you have already written a blog. It takes a really long time for your blog to rank up on Google, and there is very less chance of making money over there. So I'll tell you what you can do. So you can freelance. You can go ahead and apply to websites like Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks actually hire content creators, like as in they'll just be like just create a blog and write something related to coding or DSA or whatever. you can start off by telling that you are a developer and you can just make money real quick. So you don't have to, that's not a full-time thing. You can just create blogs, and the people will pay you for that. So it's really great on that part. Since you have like good knowledge, if you really have good knowledge, you'll be paid more based on your skills and based on the blogs that you actually write. Or else you can always go to medium.com and start writing tech blogs that are like very rare on how to actually set up a code execution engine or whatever. There are many ways to do that. So you can do that, and yeah, you can start earning as a blogger, a developer. So yeah, let's go ahead and see the next one. So the next one that I am going to speak about is a little secret. I have started out creating content over there recently, very recently. So what you can do is that you can go to skillshare.com. You can get the link in the description. So you can go ahead and create 30-minute class contents. You can create how to, write a middleware in Node.js. You can create how to do animation in CSS, how to do app typing animation in CSS. So the minimum video required is like 15 minutes, as far as I know. So you have to make like really good content, otherwise there's like content strike policy over there. So you can do that, and you can just start monetizing your content. So I will show you how my dashboard looks like. I have very recently started it out, so I will show you how it looks like, and then you can actually go ahead and start creating content over there. So it's really great platform. I have personally used it. It's very easy to create. It's very easy to upload. Everything is quite easy. The only part is where the monetization part, where actually people actually access your content, but you don't get paid a lot for that. So I will go ahead and show you how the platform looks like. So see you guys over there. So if you guys can see, you can go to skillshare.com/teach. So you can just apply to teach, and then it's a application process where you need to choose the language, and then it's very easy. That's not very hard to get into it. You can easily get into it by have you ever learned new skill? Yes, this is a basic questionnaire. After that, you can just try to develop it or something, or whatever. You can just, and then they'll tell you that you have to create the content. So the point being, they will just accept you very easily. It's not very hard to get accepted on Skillshare. So you can go to Skillshare and start applying this thing, right? And then the way that you will earn money is whenever people actually watch your content on Skillshare. So if you guys don't know what is Skillshare, Skillshare is like people actually buy premium subscription on Skillshare and watch all of the content also. So when people actually buy a subscription and watch your content, you will get paid based on the minutes watched. So ideally the minutes watched, or the payment would be like per 1 minute you will get paid for, like, per 1 minute watched you'll get paid like $0.01. That's not a lot of money if you ask me, but yeah, you can start earning as this by doing this. It's very easy. Once you can create unlimited amount of content and start earning money over here. So it's like very easy in this part. Anyways, so let's move on to the next one, where I believe that is the best one of the best one. Of course, the first one is like the topmost best thing. So yeah, so we will go ahead and see that. Yeah, guys, so coming to the second most on the ranking table. So second most best way of earning money as a developer staying in India or staying in any third world country is by creating content on udemy.com. So I will tell you why Udemy is one of the best platforms, because there is like very high demand for development skills and development courses. A lot of people actually buy from Udemy. So you can go ahead and start creating content on Udemy, but the only caveat is that you have to be very, very good at creating content. I myself is a Udemy instructor. I am personally using it since past couple of years. It's a really great content, but it's a really great platform. But the only thing is that you have to be very good at what you're doing. So suppose I make content on web development, full stack development, merge stack, or whatever. So my courses are really good. I do really well in them. So you also have to be good at what you're doing. Suppose if you're creating a course on CSS, so you have to be very good at it, because when people actually give a bad rating to your course, your whole profile rating goes down, and then you, in any new course that you put, Udemy will not promote that. So the only con of Udemy is that the thing that I really hate is that it takes up a lot of revenue. So suppose if it takes up, like, 63% of the revenue. So suppose your course sells at $10 in, let's say, in US, okay? So Udemy would take up $6.3 out of that revenue, and you will only get $3.7, which is very less money. But it is really good still, because Udemy has that audience. Udemy is really good at marketing, automatic marketing. So when people visit your course, it will automatically market on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or wherever. So it is really great at doing that. So hands up to those guys, but then only bad part is the revenue system. So for the instructors, there's not a lot of money. Udemy takes up a lot of money from them. So yeah, that's really wrong in my opinion, but it's okay. They do all of that. So it's their platform. They can do anything that do. So coming to the next platform, which I think is one of the best platforms all around the world. So if you have an audience, you can create a community over there. So let's just go ahead and see that platform. So the final platform that I'm going to speak about is the platform where you can host a community, you can create a course, you can sell a course, you can sell an event, you can sell a webinar, you can sell an ebook. There are like endless things that you can do. You can add a payment gateway to your WhatsApp group, to your closed Discord server, to your Telegram server, or whatever. So the platform's name is called nas.io. So over here you can create a community, and then you can start up by creating a community. You can start up uploading courses over there. You can start up by uploading books over there, ebooks, or you can just start host an event over there. It's a really great platform. And you know what the best part is? The revenue take from that platform is almost zero. So it has an option of going into the settings and giving the, so ideally the platform rate is like 10%, but then you have an option to give that 10% to the user who is purchasing your community. So there are like different ways of monetizing in this on this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks like. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check it out. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see over here, I have created a community on nas.io. You can go to nas.io/start community, and then you can start creating a community. So, or else you can go to nas.io, and then let me log out. Actually, you can go to nas.io and start creating community over here. You can just click on start community. You can sell courses, digital products, or the best part is that you can accept global payments. So the payment part is just done, and you can keep 100% of your revenue with yourself. So I am going to log in, and I will show you how the platform looks like. Just so you know, I will change my password. Anyways, so let me just go ahead and show you one of my community that I own. This is a free community that I have. So I have integrated with WhatsApp group. So you can integrate with anything that you want. So you can go to chat, you can unlink, and you can check, let me actually show you. And you can see that there's like Facebook, LinkedIn, Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram. And what the best part is, you can, right now it's a free community, and then you can actually add up types of revenues per year, 3 months, 6 months, or whatever. And it's showing INR because I stay in India. You can keep any kind of value to it. By the way, I have my own community on nas.io. You can get the link in the description. It's a closed and programming a whole programming community where I share more and more tips in person, so you can use that. And I will give a discount link. It's a 50% discount link for my YouTube viewers. So yeah, like I said, this platform is really well. You can actually add an application to it. You can just you have a, if you have a free community, you don't want anyone to just join your community, you can just add an application to that. And the best part is it automatically creates a public page for you. It automatically does everything. So it is actually very great on that part. So it will just automatically, do everything for you. So you don't have to do anything. And also you can create content over here. You can go to events and create events. You can create a course, you can create a resource, you can create an ebook. So, and also the best part is that you can use something called Magic Reach. It's like, I don't know if you have used an email marketing platform. So it's that kind of platform. So you can create and send emails, unlimited emails. The best part is that you can send unlimited emails. You can create a community and market your community. You can sell anything that you want to sell. Anyways, so, and the money part is also well, it's a free community. So yeah, and the payouts are done on your local banks. So the point being, it is a really, really great platform in my opinion. And I think you should actually try it out. You can get the referral link in the description. You can use that. I mean, I won't get paid or anything, but I just want to see how many people actually try out by, from that link. Anyways, so that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any more ideas how to earn as a developer, you can put down in the comment something that I might have missed, something that you guys think is really great and that you guys are really earning over there. So you guys can tell me. I will create a video on that. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.